Hello, dear students. I am Professor Bhushan Pawar from Nutan College of Engineering and Research. Today we are going to discuss here how to write the assignment number 1 of Energy and Environment Engineering. The subject is for the first year engineering for all branches. Question number first: why nuclear power plants are important for the development of nation? So in this question, it is expected to write by use of nuclear power plants how fastly we are going to generate the electricity and boosting the technology in the India. Question number second, explain the process of nuclear fusion with the neat sketch. In this question, write the process of nuclear fusion with a working principle diagram and elaborate the process of nuclear fusion. Next sub question, what are the main components of nuclear power plants? Discuss the functioning of the plant with a suitable schematic. So while attempting main components and elaborating the working, draw a neat sketch which will cover the all components of the nuclear power plant. Then by giving a title of a particular equipment, you have to write the functioning of that equipment. Question number second, what are the fossil fuels used for the generation of conventional power? Compare the hydraulic power plant with the diesel power plant in respect of the site requirement, initial cost, fuel transportation, reliability, operating cost, simplicity, and cleanliness. So just write the names of fossil fuels that are used for the power generation conventionally. Then write the comparison of hydraulic power plant and the diesel power plant on the basis of parameters are given in the questions like a site requirement, initial cost, fuel transportation. Make a table in that first column is serial number, second column is parameter for comparison, third column is hydraulic power plant, and fourth column diesel power plant. So you have to compare the hydraulic power plant and diesel power plant on the basis of the parameters which are mentioned in the question. Question number 3. Enumerate the various systems and components used in steam power plant. Explain feed water and handling circuit in these power plants. So during attempting of this question, you have to draw the neat sketch of the steam power plant which will cover the all necessary machineries. Explain the function of each and every component. Those are mentioned in the layout of the steam power plant. You have to separate, draw the feed water and ash handling circuit in the power plant and explain how the coal is handled, ash is prepared, and how water is supplied. Question number 4. Explain with a simple diagram the working of gas-based thermal power plant and list at least 2 such power plants in India. In question number 4, draw a neat sketch of the gas-based thermal power plant and you have to give the location of the power plants in India. So while giving the location, name the village or area, tehsil, and the district and state in which the plant is located. Question number 5. What are the disadvantages of coal-based thermal power plants over the hydroelectric power plant? In question number 5, we have to think like we are going to compare the thermal power plant with the hydroelectric power plant, but parameter is on the basis of disadvantages. Okay. So first parameter may be like a pollution. So we know that in thermal power plant we are going to burn the coal, and coal means it's a combustion process which emits the lot of fumes and other gases which are contributing for the air pollution. Whereas in hydroelectric power plant there is a no combustion process. Okay, so we say that we are protecting or non-polluting the environment by generating electricity in hydroelectric power plant. So like that, you have to compare the disadvantages of coal-based thermal power plant over the hydroelectric. Question number 6. What are the requirements of thermoelectric materials? Explain the thermoelectric power generator. In thermoelectric materials, they have the special capacity to carry the heat. So we want to mention their properties or how shall be the material so that we can generate the electricity by the Seebeck effect. So write in a point wise minimum 6 requirement for a thermoelectric material for generation of electricity. In sub question explain the thermoelectric power generator. Draw a working principle diagram of thermoelectric power generator and explain the working. Question number 7. Explain the working principle of thermionic converter. What are the limitations of thermionic converter? Draw a suitable sketch of working principle of thermionic converter. Explain the construction and working of thermionic converter. Thereafter, write the limitations of thermionic converter point-wise, minimum 6 points. Question number 8. State the location of the following power plants in India. Thermal power plant, gas power plant, hydroelectric power plant, thermoelectric power plant. So as I said while writing the location of the power plant in India, write the area in which plant is constructed, the cell district and the state. Thank you.